Where is the best public art located on the High Line? Imagine walking along an elevated park where art and city life come together in surprising ways. The High Line in New York City is just that place, full of creative surprises at every turn. If you love public art, you'll want to know where the most striking pieces are located. The High Line stretches from Hudson Yards to the Meatpacking District, offering amazing views and art in one walk. One of the most talked about spots for public art is the High Line Plinth. It is situated at the Spur, a section that juts out from the main park. This space is dedicated to large-scale sculptures that change every 18 months. Artists from around the world create these impressive pieces, making each visit different. The plinth is inspired by the fourth plinth in London's Trafalgar Square, and it's a popular place for visitors to stop and admire. Close by near the Spur is the Coach Passage. Here, you can see models of upcoming art pieces that will soon be installed on the High Line. These small sculptures, called maquettes, give you a sneak peek into what's coming next. It's a fun way to see the creative process and imagine how the final pieces will look. Further along, in the Northern Spur Preserve, you'll find Arthur Simms A Totem for the High Line. This towering sculpture is made from a decommissioned utility pole and various found objects. It reflects New York City's diverse history and stories, making it a meaningful piece in the park's outdoor gallery. Throughout the park, you'll also encounter works by artists like Al-Hadid and Giulia Cenci. These sculptures blend seamlessly with the natural greenery and urban surroundings, creating a lively mix of art and environment. Each piece invites you to pause and appreciate the creativity that turns the High Line into an outdoor art gallery. So, if you're exploring the High Line, make sure to visit the High Line Plinth for the most monumental art, check out the Coach Passage for upcoming works, and enjoy the sculptures in the Northern Spur Preserve. These spots highlight the best public art in the park, making your walk an inspiring experience.